All right, my friends. Well, this is future me. You know, when I start these videos out, usually something either went wrong or I missed something. But I'll tell you what happened. Yesterday, the last store I went into, Whiskers, he had the owner came in after I was walking out, and he's like, "Hey, I've got some allocated stuff." So that was the stuff that the thumbnail was from. So some people have been like, "You didn't show any of those bottles." It's because it was a quick little blurb at the end. So at the end of this video, I'll put that one in there. And then during the middle of this video, I had to stop. My daughter called me and told me that that we had that our refrigerator stopped working. So I had to kind of rush through the video. I was completely discombobulated. Did not do well with the store, I'm afraid. Great store. Anyway, that's what's going to happen. So this video will come to an end, and then you'll see the last little part of that other part. And so I'm thinking about doing, we have a bunch of frozen strawberries. I'm thinking about maybe doing something with a traveler, maybe doing some stuff with frozen strawberries, and maybe kind of doing like a, I don't know, an infused strawberries with that. Trying to think of something interesting to do with that. If somebody else can think of something better, let me know. We have a ton of frozen strawberries, and I need to infuse something. I could use some of that stag. Maybe I'll do it with stag. I don't know. I get enough votes. We'll talk about it. Slanja, my friends. All right, my friends. Well, we've not been here in a hot minute, and this is in Bartlett. Everyone calls this the yellow liquor store, the little yellow liquor store. It's yellow. You can kind of see why. So, all right, we'll go in here and do a quick hunt. Maybe get a chance to talk to the manager about some of the things going on. I'll do a little bit longer hunt here today, mainly because they have a lot of really cool stuff. I'll do real quick up here. You can kind of see they have a lot of, sorry, none of the collectibles are for sale. A lot of Elvis stuff, you know, because we've got the king is from here. So, all right, I'll go over here. I'm going to look at some of their more of the collectibles. Just cool stuff. Anything up there you guys recognize from back in the day? I don't like that piece of wood. Oh, there's an old Red Van Winkle bottle. I wonder if those are ones they had. A little bit of tequila.
Yeah, it's like Delta 9.
Zava. Right. Got a bunch of those here. All right. Well, let's see. Go up here and take a look up at the more kind of stuff, and then we'll get to the just kind of never really did a quick hard look at some of the stuff they've got up there, which is pretty cool. All right. I do like that they have all the scotch here. Someday, and I'll get to that. There's someone over on the Bourbon now. Loving that. Loving that. All right. Well, there are people in that part of it over there, so I will come to this. You come in, you might miss it over here. You come on to this other side. So they've got the Jack Daniels, they got the rye, got the single barrel. I've got one of these, which is really fantastic. A lot of Old Dominic. They've got a Old Dominic store pick, which I have not tried, so I'll have to give that a look.
Yes, ma'am, I'll sure do. Right here.
Yep.
Talking about just a pickle shot, though?
Yeah. Somebody is wanting the pickle shots. They do have. Alright, sorry about that little blip there. This is their store pick. It's $121, and I'll do that. You guys can freeze that real quick on some of the stuff they have. They got the Old Fitz 9, Heaven Hill, the Rye, the Barrel Proof 107. Got that one there, and they got the Big Macallan down the bottom. So, alright, I'll go over here and take a quick look. They really flooded the market with Blantons. Everybody's got Blantons in small batch right now. Pretty much everywhere. Right. Excuse me. That's all right. Kind of tight over here. So got that Cascade Moon. They're super busy, so if I stop talking or do anything, it's not that I'm embarrassed. I just don't want to bother any customers while they're in here. No. Got the larceny. They got the barrel proof down there. Well, they got the 12. You don't see the 12 here much. And they got the big handles down there of the Weller. You don't see a whole bunch of that. Everybody knows I think that's gross. Excuse me. Coffee. Still think that's a fantastic bargain. Just got a text message that our refrigerator just went out. So sorry, I'm discombobulated. Here we go. At the house. Great. Oh, you know, I had the 6 last night. Everybody was talking about the 10 is where it's at, so I may need to try the 10 next time once I get that done. Love the bottle. Here's my dad's stuff and the single barrel. Oh. No. Got the Devin Williams, which everybody should own some of that. And there, I'll take a look right here. I think they have everything but the foolproof, it looks like. And snuck some more small batch over here. They just got in a. So, you want to talk about anything?
Not particularly. I was like trying to get something together, but I was going to write something down, but I had a busy morning.
Yeah, but you got a new store pick, the 1792.
Right, yeah.
Foolproof, and do you know how much it is by any chance?
Yeah.
I probably walked right by it.
It's at 65. We're at 65.
Okay, nice.
I'm about to try it here.
They're gonna crack open a little bit of it. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna walk around over here. If there's anything else you can think of, do you have any other store picks coming up?
Not right now. We have quite a bit at the store already. With, like, we got the Russell's, Bullet, Knob Creek. We got an Elijah Craig. So we got quite a bit of them. We're trying to sell through before we order some more.
Right. Okay. All right. Well, I'll keep looking around, and anything pops up, let me know.
Okay.
I'll do a little quick tequila here. We had planned to talk more, but and we thought it might be a little bit slower, but unfortunately it really picked up. Like the store just filled up with everybody. We're right at lunchtime, so I know some guys on the Discord that would like that. I wonder if there's any additives in that. Just kidding. There's the peanut butter one. Yeah, my refrigerator's out. Can you believe that? Now, my daughter did send me a text message and said that the refrigerator's not running. So I don't know if I need to go try to catch it or what. Hopefully it wasn't a joke.
That guy doesn't even know what this shit is. He's like asking for a discount off the thing.
Yeah, I'll check.
All right, well, I am going to look over here because I haven't ever looked over here. Oh, this is more of the mixer stuff. All right. They do have the Christmas in a bottle over here. I've been over here in a long time. I'm sorry. It's almost like going to a new store because I haven't been in it in so long. I just want to look at everything that they've got and kind of see what they have going on. So they have plenty of this foolproof, which is good. Spicy pickle. Oh no. Oh, nice little stuff. I don't think it's over by the rum like I thought it was going to be with the sugar. Still have some Father's Day baskets. The chocolate. All right. Well, did. It's funny. Now it kind of thinned out a little bit. All right, I'm going to get one more. We haven't been over here to the other section. I think we hit everything. All right, well, I'm going to go back over one more time and give these bottles a quick look. Like I said, we got those there. You can take a look. The Glendronach. Oh, I went down, and now I'm down. Man down. Oh, knees. Oh. Technically, is that a dunker? Did I miss that? Usually, that's what everybody squawks about. I can't believe you missed it. Dunker. Got all the letters of Blanton's you want, so. All right, guys. Well, I don't know that I'm gonna be able to do another video today. This may be a pretty short one-off video. We plan to do some more stuff, but I didn't get a chance to do it. So I didn't state yesterday. If you get a chance to be a hero, be a hero. You know, be the hero of somebody's story today. Let's be nice to each other, and if I can get another video in today, I will. If not, tomorrow I'll be in Jackson. I'll be doing going to a event at lunch, and then I'll be hunting that area. So if you see something up there I should be getting, or someplace I should go, let me know. All right, let's go. Either it ends abruptly and this is it, or there'll be another one. You never know with me. So the owner surprised me. I knew he was at lunch. He came in as I was walking. He's like, "Oh, I got more in the back." So I got the Jack Daniel's 12. We got a couple of old Rip Van Winkles, and a Jack 10 is a good price for this part of town. And they have the Jefferson's very small batch, and they have Stag. So really, we haven't seen much Stag anywhere. So that's looking pretty good. All right. Well, this is Whiskers. All right. On to the next one.